can start, ma'am.
Principal. You're not audible, you're muted.
Good afternoon. Welcome. I welcome all for the NPTEL online live session 1 for the course Environmental Chemistry and Microbiology. Hope you are enjoying the course. If you have any question, you can ask now. We are here to answer to your questions. As much as possible, we'll try to make you understand. If you have any question, then please ask.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sudha Goyal, and I will try to answer your microbiology related questions. So you can either post them in the chat box or you can join the meeting and ask directly. TAs, if there are no students, you can ask your questions and maybe we can just have an open discussion about any particular topic. No, no one's interested.
I have seen 2-3 small questions in the Gmail. I was going through Gmail regularly. So one question I got, somebody asked that what are the applications of Henderson equation and buffer system? So the Henderson equation tells us it is related to the pH of the medium with the that buffer system. If it is acidic buffer, then pKa. If it is alkaline buffer, we use pKb, and then plus minus log salt of acid by base, something like that. This is the equation. So for this, we use this equation if we want to prepare some buffer with particular pH, then how we can prepare that? This Henderson equation helps us to prepare a particular buffer solution. Okay, so it is pKa pH. The solution pH should be pKa or pKb, then plus minus 1. And so you have to know that which pH for the solution you want, and then you have to select, you have to know the pKa or pKb of the systems, and then you can easily find out what is the proportion of the salt and acid concentration or salt or base concentration, so that you can get the appropriate pH of that buffer. This is the utility actually. So it is a very useful equation. I explained in the class that in the lectures that how you can do that, how you can prepare the buffer by using this equation. So if you go through it, and you have done many problems also, numericals, which is related to this. So I think it is easy to do it. Another question I have seen that somebody asked that how will we determine when water will act as a base and when as an acid? It is relative thing, as we know that water can act as a base as well as it can act as an acid. If you put a stronger a chemical which is a stronger acid than water, then water will be acting as a base. If you add a chemical which is a stronger base than water, then it will act as acid. So it is relative thing. who will be stronger, that will predominate. And then also, could the reactions mentioned in the video be explained again? So that is not here. It is very difficult. You have to go through the video. You can go many times, as much as you can. And then there are many small problems also I have given, so you can do that. So for example, the HF, the good example is hydrofluoric acid. Hydrofluoric acid, if you put it in HClO4, perchloric acid is stronger acid than a hydrofluoric acid. So here in this reaction, that means HF plus HClO4, HF will be acting as a base and HClO4 will be acting as an acid. Who is stronger, it will predominate. Again, if people put HF in HNO3, HNO3 is a weaker acid than HF. So in that case, HF will be an acid, HNO3 will be a base. Another question I got how will you determine when what? Oh, that I have already explained. How does the solvent type have an effect on the acid-base behavior? This is similar to that just now I explained. Very similar. Another question somebody asked that what will be the ion product of ammonium and non-protic solvent in non-protic solvent? Non-protic solvent means I have given only two examples. That is, say for example, liquid sulfur dioxide or phosgene. They don't have any hydrogen, right? SOCl2 means SO2. There is no hydrogen, but liquid SO2 can be a solvent also. So if you put something there in liquid SO2, which will give SO plus plus, then it will be, you will consider it is an acid. Okay, so if you put ammonium chloride, then it will not give either SO3 2 minus or SO plus plus. So it cannot be explained. Actually, there are many theories to explain the acids and base concepts. No one is complete, means none can explain everything. That is why which is suitable, you have to consider that. So for example, in some cases you can explain very well with Lewis acid theory, Lewis theory. In some cases you can explain very well with conjugate acid base pair theory. So you have to explain accordingly. Here NH4Cl and non-protic solvent, actually NH4Cl will not give NH4, will give NH4 plus Cl minus, but you cannot explain here very well that it will be acid or base, because it is not giving the any cation or anion which is related to the solvent. That is why. Okay. Anyway, any other, that much question I got, only few questions.
Is there any microbiology question?
I have not seen any microbiology question. Today morning I have checked that, so I did not see any. Our TAs, if you have some questions on this course, if you want to make something clear, you can ask. It is a good opportunity also.
You can bring up a question, anything that's on your mind. We may not be able to answer it, but we'll talk about it. Okay.
We'll be here maybe up to 3:30. After that, we can wind up. 30 minutes is minimum and 1 hour is maximum. It is written like that. How many students have registered this time for this course?
I think it's 2092.
2092. It is compared to the last year, it is more higher number, na? Last year it was 1,500 around. No?
More than that. We have more than that. Last year it was 3,000. I can check that. So 2092 was last year.
Acha.
That was last year. And out of those 2092, 114 got certificate.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know. So this year, I think I lost that. Let's find that. It's 1492. It's 1490.
Okay. That's
We got more than 50%. That's correct. That's correct. We didn't get any feedback from last year either. Did you get anything?
No, I did not see any feedback, but we needed that.
Right.
Because then we can improve, or maybe we can add or
Where is nothing. There's absolutely no activity. Ask a question. Actually, I saw something last time. Let me see. Principal, there are some queries, old ones, in the discussion forum. So if you go to the course, you have it.
No, how to go there? Course?
So in the course, let me see if I can go there. Okay, so are you in the course?
No.
So if you go to the course, there is some tab at the top that says ask a question. If you click on it, you will find some queries.
Acha. Means, but I don't know how to go to the course.
I went there by writing Swayam, Environmental Chemistry and Microbiology.
Oh.
In the Google box.
Acha. What are the, can you read those queries little bit? How many queries are there?
There's nothing much. Let me see. One student was not able to open the assignment. That is the latest one. Please check solution provided for question 1 and question 19.
And those I have seen. Those I have seen. Those two queries. One from Anurag Sharma, another is from Rakshit Raj. These two things I have seen. One is one what he has said is not correct. Another is in some first week assignment. One problem is there where that person that Anurag Sharma has said that the correct option is not there. So it is the mistake from our side. Correct option, that solution was not proper actually. So our student has Ankurita. Hello, Ankurita. Ankurita has sent them mail saying that.
Hello.
Ankurita, you
Yes,
sent
ma'am.
the
I
mail.
sent the mail to them. A few days back only I had sent it with the corrected question and the solution.
So that
you have answered the Henderson question.
that only one question it happened actually when they made the solution, their little mistake was there. So in the solution that is why the answer in the solution and the options, they are not matching. So we requested them to just to eliminate this question when they are marking, when they will mark it. But the other student, that Rakshit Raj, what he has told, question 1 and question 19, he is not correct. So that question we have not answered to them, and he did not understand possibly. So that is why. So there is only one query which is only our mistake actually.
Why am I not getting any questions? No one is studying microbiology?
Study means that may be due to this, that it is not yet complete, no? Your course is still going
Not
on.
complete, I know, but we are in week 10. So half
Almost.
half the fourth week.
Some questions, yeah, is expected. But I also expected more questions. Only 2-3 questions I got.
2,000 students, I thought 1,400. I expected far more. No one is studying. Let's see how many students. So if out of 2092, 114 passed. This time out of 1490, how many will pass? Less than 100.
That is why feedback is very important.
And we didn't get any feedback, right?
Last year feedback is not there. They are circulating the feedback form every week. That I have seen in the mail. I have seen that it is being circulated, but whether they are filling it up and whether they are submitting it, that part we do not know. So last time at least 2-3 students appeared and asked some questions. I remember that nitrogen cycle, some question was there. Another 2-3 questions were there, but this time no student showed up.
This is kind of disappointing. The students should be more active. They're doing their assignments, they're doing their work. So I'm surprised that they don't have questions. Is the NPTEL person there? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yeah. Do we have any idea how many people are, completing their assignments and all?
Exactly, I don't have the information right now, madam. I have to ask the web team, madam. Do you want to know it, madam? Then I'm going to ask them, madam. Then.
Okay. Yeah, just to know how many are doing the work.
Okay, okay, madam. Just give me 2 minutes, madam.
Yeah.
We'll stay for 3 more minutes maybe, no?
Okay.
And it will be half an hour.
Yeah.
We have to go for another live session, na, at the end, maybe.
So in the Google form, there were 3 lives.
3 live sessions that have.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So I just said, every week I said available. You said Thursday, I said okay, Thursday. So for the next full 1 month, I've put dates. They won't. Best thing is to put this question in the discussion forum, and then we can talk about it in the live session. That would be ideal. One is doing any work, it seems. Shiva Prasad, right? Are you there? NPTEL person? Where is he? He's not there. He went to find out the statistics.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what he said.
Wait for him to come back.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
84 has students have registered for the exam, madam. Still now, exam date registration is already over. 84 students have registered for the exam, madam.
Okay.
84, only 84, madam. 84.
Okay.
And madam, about the assignments, from week one onwards, it was good, but gradually it came down, madam. This week, only 28 students have submitted the assignment, madam.
Oh my God.
At the start, madam, it was more than 200. From week 5 onwards, it came down, madam. And this week, only 28 have submitted the assignment.
So we can expect that number in the exam, right?
84 have 84 have registered for exam, and I think 84 have students will appear for exam, that we can understand.
Yeah. Okay, now tell us what to do next.
You can wind up, madam. It's already, madam, more than it's near about half an hour. Since there are no questions, you can wind up. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, then thank you everyone for joining. And since there are no questions, so we will wait for the next session when you have questions. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Shiva Prasad. We're leaving, okay? Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.